After creating an e-commerce store with JumpSeller and adding your products and services, it's time to contact your customers directly through our WhatsApp Commerce sales channel. Here's how you can configure WhatsApp Commerce. First, go to Settings, Checkout, and make sure your checkout version is version 2. Tick the phone box in the System Fields section and click Save. Now you can go to Sales Channels, Gallery, and click Install next to WhatsApp Notifications. Then click Yes, Authorize, Setup, and Confirm. Finally, you just need to add store credit if you haven't already done so. Write down your WhatsApp contact number with your country prefix. This will be the number your customers can contact through a link. And toggle the types of automated notifications you want to send to your customers. Now let's see an example of each type of notification your customers can get after you activate WhatsApp Commerce. In order for them to be sent, the customer must tick the Receive WhatsApp Order Updates box. The first message the customers will receive through WhatsApp after finishing the checkout is this one, saying that they have a pending payment on your store, the value of the purchase, and the payment details. After having paid for the order, the customers will receive a second message confirming the payment has been received. Finally, after the order has been fulfilled, the customers will receive a third message saying that the order has been sent to the address provided during checkout. If a customer wants to contact the merchant's store directly through WhatsApp, they can click on the wa.me link, and it will start a conversation with the number provided during the WhatsApp Commerce sales channel configuration. There's also a fourth message that can be sent when a customer leaves the checkout process before finishing it. In that case, if the customer has already filled in their phone number and ticked the Receive WhatsApp Order Updates box, they'll receive a message saying that they abandoned an order and that they can just click on the link to go back to it. After your customers start getting these messages, you can check all the metrics by going back to the WhatsApp Notifications sales channel and clicking on Messages. Find more information at jumpseller.com/support or by subscribing to the JumpSeller YouTube channel.